What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go by the name Jux254. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like, share and leave a sweet comment. And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending wherever you are watching this video from. But me, I'm coming live from East Africa country, Kenya, and village is Nyabohanse, guys. I'm at the village, and this is the village life. Here there is some bushy place, in the village. We are not in town, so things are they are staying the way they are. As you can see, there is some bush here. There's a forest there. So this is how things they are. I decided to walk at the village, at least I can see how things are going, 1, 2 there. So I can walk, so I can see my village how it is. There's some roads here, small roads passing inside. There is some farms, as you can hear. There is a tractor there plowing the land, because here in Africa now, no, in the village, this is the season of planting maize or any cereals that you have. So people they have to prepare their lands so that they can put their seeds inside the soil to wait to germinate and weed them for the good result, guys. So this is the green pasture of our village, and there's a lot of trees, as you can see here. There is a lot of trees. It's a small forest, so this guy decided to at least to plant the trees, so that here if people want to build, they want timbers, they are supposed to buy trees and bring a power, so then they make the timbers. They can use them for roofing and other things. So this is the management of land, because if you have a land and it's staying there barely, it's usually to you are supposed to put something that will bring some, at least, what can I say, can bring some income. If this guy decided to sell these things, these are trees, all of them, he will earn a lot of money, and that will be good for the income from the farm, guys. There's a lot of trees you can see like this. Now if you bring a power saw and cut this tree, it produce a lot of timbers, and as you cut this, it can create the space of this another small trees like this to grow in a good way. So that's how things they are at the village. And there is a tractor there plowing the land of my neighbor here. People in the village, they are serious. I don't know if you will see it, because I'm far and I'll not reach there. It's there around me. So you can see that the village trees are everywhere. If you own a land, you have trees to put the trees at the boundary of your land to the neighbor. Yup, this is how things they are at the village. Guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, and I will appreciate for your subscription, and I will thank you because you have left me in a way that I can express. So that's how things they are, and continue watching. This is a small road that is passing here. That's the life of the village. This is a small channel of water. I don't know, it's a channel water. It's a small water here passing. This is the place where most of the, the people here in the village who have cows, they're coming here to give their cows water. Yeah, it has stayed here for many years, and it's that's how it looks small. But even it's sunny or rainy season, the water are still there. But the difference is the water that pass during the water that pass during the what can I say during the dry season, it's not like the now at the rainy season. For the rainy season, it's a bit big, a lot of water than the dry season. This plant smells good. It have a good smell, guys. This is the small plantation of yams. As you can see, there's a lot of yams here. It's actually, this is a swampy area. It's have a lot of water, and most of the time you have to swim there. There is a small place that used to pump water to the school, neighbor school there. So we were swimming there with many people. But for now, that place has quit it because of some reasons. These are maize stalks. They have already harvested there the maize, so they live there like that. I don't know this guy if he will replant again, but don't know. He can decided to leave that place there like that because of in this season. I don't know if he will or she will reveal to plant again. If you feel like you can plant the next season, you can. If you feel that you cannot plant, it's upon you. This is the look of the village. You can tell me at the comment section if our village looks good or the way it looks. This is how it looks. This is the village view. I'm telling you, this is the village view. Let me show you the view. There is a tractor there plowing the shamba. This is the village. People from the village. I'm the one. I'm from village, guys. I have not stayed for the. I like traveling, by the way, but for the you know, you can like doing something, but you don't have thing to push you to do. Like me, I like traveling, like traveling to other places to see how things they are, to experience things that are there and they are not in our village, and to know how people they are at the other places, the things they have done in other places, guys. So that's how things they are. That's the view. Enjoy the view. Small roads at the village. These are the small roads. Those are the trees. I was inside the forest, but now I'm outside. As you can see the view. That's the view. View. This is a swampy place, but people they have already cultivated it. Now it's a plantation. It's a plantation place. And this is the water. Wall. Natural. There is some inside the water. There is algae, but water is naturally clean without any detergent, anything, any chlorine. It's pure from the liver. It's pure clean, guys. So this is how things they are at the village. So watch my video and subscribe, and you can share to your friends, guys, and I will appreciate more and more, guys. Continue supporting your boy here, Jux254, and I will appreciate. Thank you, guys.